jumping on the beds, and you should get that on the camera.
Hey guys, what's up? It's a Monday vlog. We're having a war right now.
We just had breakfast at 11:30 because they messed up our order.
Yes, get it back.
It's 3 against 1. All of us versus the Kid Meister.
Dual wielding, yeah.
Take it, Dad. Take it. No.
Get him, stab him, yeah. Oh no.
Hey! Right there! Eat balls! Eat! Get him! Not in the face!
Ow! Ow! Not in the face!
Dun 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 dun! I still hit you.
Okay, ready? Let's kill him right now. Ready?
Let's suffocate him!
Yeah!
Woo!
We won!
I'm still victory!
Max is destroyed! Alright, we're getting ready to go on a hike. We're all getting ready. Gibby's ready to go. I'm ready to go.
What?
I have to punch you in the face.
Why?
Because
Why?
it's the only way to...
Punch him! Do it!
Why do you guys have all your crap over here?
I don't know. It's not mine. Becker, you ready to go? Got your swim trunks on? Yeah.
Alright.
What is that
You guys ready?
thing? Is that a belt for a robe?
No.
Or is that your ninja belt? Karate belt.
Yeah, ninja belt.
Ah.
What's a ninja belt?
What's a ninja belt?
There's no such thing as a ninja belt.
He has one right there.
Hide it.
You want me to tie
You
it?
ready, boo?
Yeah.
Along the, it's like
Is that good? Is that tight enough? Or looser? Looser? About right there. Is that good? Okay, here, let me finish. Go over here. There you go. Ninja belt. Yeah, he's a ninja. Give us a little kung fu kick.
Okay, guys, get your shoes on.
Whoa!
There we go.
This is Acadia National Park. Let's do this. Where are we going? The beach.
I can barely.
Sam's ready. That's his beach face.
Get my socks off.
Okay.
I can't get my. Sam. Oh, Sam.
Well, first world problems.
How did you get to drink that water? It tastes terrible.
It was delicious. Any water is good water. Alright, we made it back from Acadia. That was fun. Good hike.
So much fun.
I got a nasty blister right here. It's a blood blister on my heel. I have socks on. I don't want to take them off, but it hurts. It sucks.
Blood blister.
Big one. Anyways, we're getting ready to head out and go get something to eat because we are all hungry.
Because all we had today was breakfast and like a snack.
Yes, nothing else at all. What up? What up? He's a lobster.
That's supposed to be good.
The big lobster.
Yeah, they're all lobsters.
Whoa.
Wait, there's no crabs in there?
No.
Oh,
Go back, look at them up here. Look at down.
what?
Look at all of them.
Back. Nice.
Gibby.
Yeah, honey. Yep.
We're just in a random store.
Yes, I'm glad that you don't.
Squirrel boy.
Yeah.
Nice hat, dude. Hey, Mom. Come look at this. Come look at these.
What is it?
Look at these.
Oh, you scared me.
It's pool time, guys. Time to go swimming. You ready? Huh?
George Washington.
Huh? You ready? Yeah? Are you ready, George Washington?
No, George, I'm using George Wash.
Are you George W. Bush?
No.
Oh. George. What's another George? Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Hey Maggie, can I have a high five? Yeah? Can I have a high five? Oh, you give me with your foot? Can you show me your spins? Can you show me your spins?
Hey Maggie, want to spin with me? Hey Maggie, want to do this with me?
Can you spin? Yeah! Nick and Sam versus Sylvia and Bryce. Oh!
You're the winners! Yeah! You're the champions! Oh no!
Sam, that was a pretty upsetting. Your goggles are on upside down.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
That's how losers close.
Hey, that happened again. You remember that?
You're a loser. That's how losers close.
How are you doing today?
Where are my goggles?
I don't have your goggles.
Thank you! You found them!
I need a ball.
No!
Ah! John Cena.
John! Hey, Carson!
Who is he? He got hit.
Whack-a-mole! Whack-a-mole!
Yeah.
Whack-a-mole!
Got him. 100 points. Guys, look at the sunset.
Carson? Yeah, you do it with Carson.
Oh?
No! He just pulled the other one.
Is
I
he down?
refuse.
Are you down yet, or are you still going for the touchdown?
I'm still going for it.
Okay.
I refuse to let him
Then
do
get the point. Get the touchdown. Yeah.
Wow! You can't shake me that easily.
Get the touchdown. The touchdown pass. The touchdown pass. Oh, it's no good. Interception. Sylvie intercepted it. Go, touchdown.
Go!
Go, Sam.
Seals!
Oh, Sam with the pass. Oh, I believe that is illegal. I don't know what's really going on. This is just very confusing. Nick, do you know what's going on?
Yes, and I'm about to do I'm about to jump in the water.
Alright, let's see it. And this better be so cool. Will this be cool? Like on a scale from 1 to really cool, how cool will it be? Okay. Oh! Dude, that was like 10 out of 10. Stale. Pass with the century. Go, Carson! Oh, it's no good. Out of the pool. Out of bounds. Game lost. Carson. Carson, how does that feel?
Man, me so much meat.
You lost though.
Man. I do second time.
Man, I'll get next to you.
No, I'll get it right now.
Katie's going for the pass to win the game. Okay, that was...
Over Sam. Over Sam.
Oh no, Sam the defender.
Right.
Sam the man. Oh, the pass to Sylvie. Oh, you can't. This is a very strange game of football. Oh, incomplete pass. And yet it's still in play. How does that happen, Sam? Please evaluate. Oh, Will has the ball. He rage quits.
I need those back.
Oh, where'd your goggles go?
I need them back.
They're gone. You recovered your goggles. Good job, Sam. We'll get ready for the next round.
No. This is awesome.
Get ready for the next round. The next round's over there. Go get it. What do you think, Sam? Sam, no.
Here's my goggles.
I don't want the goggles. I threw them in the pool. Right there. Yeah. Okay, I have a Sam to me.
Hell.
It's like a monkey. Oh, incomplete. Carson.
You will not catch the
Katie, help me, please. just pry him off. Katie, please.
Katie, don't do it.
Katie?
Well, I don't know what's gonna happen. Touch him.
Just let him off.
Katie.
Katie, he's gonna bite me.
I'll bite, and he will bite me. I'm gonna make him touch him.
Will? Carson, help me. Carson, help me.
You shall not help him. He's working.
Let go. Let go. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. No. Bad, bad, bad. Shoo. Shoo. Ah!
Scare me.
Guys, he's back. Somehow I let this happen.
You have a leash.
Oh, this is a leech. Well, it's slowly dragging me underwater.
This leash is a biting leash. What? No! That's why.
Yeah! What was that?
This is
What
John
was
Cena
that?
leech. The John Cena leech is here. Come on!
The Cena leech. The siege. The siege.
Come on! Here comes John Cena! My brother's a Cena leech too! No, my brother's a trainer!
Alright guys, I forgot to end the vlog last night, but thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos down below. I post them Monday through Friday. If you guys want to check out any of my social media links, that are always in the description and at the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Katie?
Bye.